By next year, brands are predicted to spend $15 billion on influencer marketing. What was once a hobby for Instagrammers and YouTubers has become a major industry, earning them big bucks, but they're not the only ones. Companies that invest in these influencers' platforms get more than $5 return on every dollar it spends on these marketing campaigns, which has led many of these online entrepreneurs to cut out the middleman, quit promoting other people's stuff, and use their massive following to start their own million and billion-dollar business. Today, we're taking a look at 10 of the biggest examples. Let's go. Number 1. Marianna Hewitt. She's an influencer, a lifestyle blogger, and the co-founder of Summer Fridays. Marianna Hewitt is the epitome of influencer turned business mogul. Her quick rise to fame and popularity was due to her candid and trustworthy product reviews, which amassed a huge online following. Along with fellow beauty blogger Lauren Gores Ireland, Marianna created the skincare label Summer Fridays. When first launched, they only had one product, the jet lag mask. They've since added more, but their OG mask is still the most popular product in stock. The company employs 24 people, and while there's no actual figure, industry sources say the company is turning around $4.8 million, which is excellent considering the brand only launched in 2018. The business duo branched out from beauty products and capitalized on the pandemic's stay-home vibes, launching a line of sweat sets in 2020. Number 2. Chiara Ferragni. She's a mama, a blogger, an influencer, fashion designer, model, businesswoman, and soon-to-be reality TV star. More on that shortly. Let's take a look at Chiara Ferragni. Born in Cremona, Italy, Ferragni started her fashion blog, The Blonde Salad, in October 2009 and was Teen Vogue's Blogger of the Moment in 2011. She's another example of success not coming from a college degree. While she was studying law at Bocconi University, she dropped out before getting her degree. At that stage, her blog was getting 12 million views a month. For more interesting success stories like hers, check out our video 10 People Who Prove College Isn't Necessary to Be Successful in Life. Coming up next for this admirable businesswoman include being a brand ambassador for Hublot and a new series, The Ferragnes, which will appear on Amazon Prime Video. The 8-part show is set to launch in December 2021, focusing mainly on her life, family, and businesses. Number 3. Huda Kattan. She's nearing 50 million followers on Instagram, and it won't be long before the Oklahoma-born makeup expert achieves that milestone. Huda Kattan is the face behind Huda Beauty. She studied to be a makeup artist in LA after moving there from Dubai, where she had been living with her family. Some of her top clients included Nicole Richie and Eva Longoria, and in 2010, one of her sisters suggested she start a blog. So she did on good old WordPress and called it Huda Beauty. Fast forward to 2013, Kattan launched her first cosmetic line, also called Huda Beauty. Her first product was false eyelashes, which even got the royal nod from Kim Kardashian. Her company is based in Dubai, and Forbes magazine called her one of the 10 most powerful influencers in the world of beauty. As of 2020, her net worth was around $510 million, with annual sales of Huda Beauty around the $250 million mark. Huda gives some great advice. The minute you decide to do what you love to do, you have made a plan for yourself and a career choice. Number 4. Alux.com. Cannon is the perfect example of a crossover influencer into businessmen who, instead of promoting other brands, decided to focus on something he loved, which is how Crafted London came into being. Cannon was a model before gaining Instagram popularity and is now the co-founder of the luxury men's jewelry brand Crafted London and Loyali Footwear, an upmarket trainers retailer. Crafted reported a growth of 400% from 2020 into 2021 and is well on its way to becoming the fastest-growing jewelry brand in the world. And considering the launch was in 2018, that growth is pretty exponential. And if you're keen to follow in these influencers' footsteps, be sure to listen to Influencer by Brittany Hennessy on Audible. We've got a free listen for you by going to Alux.com/freebook. Number 5. Elle Darby. 2014 is when Darby first created her YouTube channel. Her initial claim to fame was when she began documenting her transformation into a fitness vlogger. Her second was in 2018 when she asked for a free 5-night stay at an upscale hotel in Dublin, Ireland, in exchange for sharing her experience with her 90,000 followers, a far cry from her current 775,000. In case you haven't heard about this, her request was denied, with the owner publicly shaming her for asking. Suffice it to say, it's an incident that she wants forgotten. Her business comes in the form of the Angel collection, a brand focused on luxury loungewear and pajamas, but without the luxury price tag. Number 6. Freddie Harrel. Her full name is Frederique, but everyone calls her Freddie. She's a London-based fashion blogger that's changing the world one hair extension at a time. In Harrel's words, "My culture has taught me that my hair is just like me, multifaceted, soft, springy, and free. Hair is one of the ways we've always expressed ourselves, forever reintroducing our various angles to a constrained and biased world. It was through hair that Harrel realized there was a huge gap in the market and she was going to do something about it. In 2017, she founded Big Hair, No Care, which were ethically sourced extensions and wigs she sold from a pop-up salon. The brand evolved to become Red Swan, which was funded by all-female investors through BBG Ventures. Number 7. Jess Hunt. According to MMIanalytics.com, 4.67% of beauty enthusiasts turn to influencers before making a purchase, so it's not surprising that brands reach out to influencers for help promoting their products. No stranger to this is Jess Hunt. Hunt currently has 1.5 million followers on Instagram and is an active lifestyle and beauty vlogger. Before launching her own brands, Jess collaborated with brands like Oh Polly, I Saw It First, White Fox Boutique, and Boohoo, but now adds something far more admirable to her resume: Reffy and Pretty Little Thing. Her online shops sell makeup and clothing for every face and every body. Number 8. Kayla Itsines. She's recently sold her business empire Sweat for $400 million. So how did this influencer become a multi-millionaire in what seems like overnight? Kayla Itsines initially wanted to be a beauty therapist, but had a change of heart when she realized how much she loved going to the gym. At 18, she was helping her sister's friends train to get fit for netball, and her 12-year-old cousin suggested she post their progress on Instagram. The success of this led her and her then-fiancé to launch the Bikini Body Training Company in 2013. That progressed into Sweat, which grew at an exciting pace. In 2015, they launched the Sweat app, with millions of workouts being done through the app globally every year since. In 2020, the company made almost $100 million, which ultimately led to the sale of Sweat to fitness tech company iFit for a reported $400 million. Number 9. James Charles. He needs little introduction, and personal issues aside, James Charles is a perfect example of influencer to business mogul. Charles began his career on YouTube and Instagram, and currently has 24.4 million followers on Insta and 24.5 million on YouTube. He's had so many endorsements and partnerships, but it's his collaboration with cosmetics brand Morphe that puts him on the list. His range includes palettes, brushes, and skincare. As he puts it, makeup is an art form for me. It's a form of expression, and it's such a cool way to get my creative juices flowing. Number 10. Michelle Phan. Michelle Phan began her career as a beauty YouTuber. Thanks to BuzzFeed, 2 of her tutorials went viral when they were posted on their site in 2009 and 2010. This brought in over 1 million subscribers for her and made her the official makeup video artist for Lancome. She later went on to start a beauty product subscription service called Ipsy in 2011, which still delivers monthly subscription boxes. Although she's not involved there anymore, at the time it was bringing in millions every year. She started EM Cosmetics and a startup called Thematic, which focuses on licensing music. There's definitely no lack of entrepreneurial spirit in Phan. Alright, Aluxers, have you purchased any products that these influencers have launched? If so, what did you buy and what were your thoughts on it? We'd love to hear from you, so join the conversation. Now, as a reward for sticking with us until the end, we have one more influencer and we saved the biggest for last. Jeffree Star is the ultimate example of influencer to not million, but billion-dollar business mogul, with his company Jeffree Star Cosmetics allegedly worth $1.5 billion. He began his journey on MySpace, then YouTube, and both were instant successes for him. Today, as he explains, I own an entire shipment and fulfillment center. I own a merchandise company. I print and manufacture everything myself. So I have about 10 businesses that I'm currently running besides my brand, which is the giant cosmetics company. Safe to say he's done quite well for himself. We hope you feel inspired, Aluxers. Reach out to us by liking this video, subscribing, and hitting that bell icon to be alerted of our new videos. Thanks for spending some time with us today.